to our channel.
Do you guys guess why we're together? This LA, it's about what, like 4:30
It's a 4
something in the
nearly
morning.
5, yeah.
But it's exciting because today we are going to
Andros.
Yay, drum.
We're going to Andros for Greek Easter. Is when we're gonna have Easter this weekend. I know the other Christian Easter was past weekend, but ours is gonna be this weekend. And Andros is one of the Greek islands that actually practice the Greek Easter original, like practically like traditional Greek Easter. So we're gonna experience that, and we will of course tag you along. You know, we don't see without you seeing. So, yeah.
Yes, so we'll be taking you guys along with us. I hope you guys have fun as much as we will be having fun.
Exactly. Yeah.
I'm so excited. I am so tired and I'm so sleepy, but
You better not.
I am super excited.
Yes.
So
goal is
let go, guys. Let's go.
Andros, we are coming.
Let go.
Yes.
All right. We'll see you guys in a bit. Deuces.
Okay guys, actually the camera was not those blurry, so yeah, we're here already. It took us like 20 minutes. The road was really empty, but we were rushing because of the traffic. And you can see the boats are already leaving. We are in Rafina,
and we're literally chasing a
guy.
car.
We were chasing a guy.
I thought like he was going the same way, and I was like literally going. Woo!
Actually, he left.
He left now. So like he
boat.
was actually in a hurry. That's why.
Yeah, we're just gonna have something. We're gonna have breakfast, and then our boat is at 10 to 8 in the morning. So we still have a long time.
This with us.
Yeah, let's have it. So we still have a long time.
This is not going to follow.
You gonna mess it up?
Okay. I think I'll just.
You gonna have it? Okay. So, yeah, that's gonna be. I think we parked the right place.
We did.
Yeah, we did. Okay, shall we? We go right there, ask where we're gonna get the boat first of all, and then we're gonna have a breakfast.
Can you hold one of these?
Okay. There you go. And then we will be heading to where we're supposed to get our boat. So we're gonna ask this company, which is the one we are traveling with, where we're gonna be getting our boats.
Which way we're gonna go? I mean, we're still so early, so probably we should go get some breakfast.
Yeah.
And then
Think about it.
yeah,
Should
but
get
let's
some
ask
here.
first.
Yep.
Do we need to ask?
Definitely.
Here you can do a U-turn here. Oh,
Are you sure?
she's here too.
Oh fuck.
Can you ask the guy?
I don't know which guy.
This policeman.
It's
Ask this
not-
policeman. Just
Can we turn? Oh, thank you. Ah. Maybe he's going to help us.
Yeah.
Like, stop them, bro.
like seriously.
Okay. Now, come on, people. Really? Thank you.
I think wait, we are Golden Star Ferry.
Mm-hmm.
So there is this first one, Golden Star Ferry.
Are you sure?
There is a second one, and there is a third one. So question is,
Which one?
which one? So this is Golden Star Ferry.
Mm-hmm. Does it say number? We have to find it though.
Passenger time. No, it doesn't.
Oh no.
Booking reference ticket number.
Does it
No, keep
show?
on going.
Ah, this way.
Yeah.
How does he know where we're going?
I think he just doesn't want people to park.
No, he's like literally saying we should go that way.
But maybe there are Golden Star ferries from different locations.
Why am I even here since like they're going that
It's
way?
fine.
I think it. Wait.
Do you know which way?
We will talk to them. Don't worry. I mean, they're directing us, but we need the golden. Yeah, you have to round. You have to round.
The super ferry nato.
Super fair enough. But are you gonna be able to? Did you just hijack this guy?
I didn't hijack anyone.
Καλημέρα.
Πού πάμε?
Πάμε στην Andros.
Ωραία, λίγο τα εισιτηριά σας να σκανάρουμε.
Εισιτήρια.
Tickets to scan.
Ναι, έχουμε, αλλά...
Ωραία. Ωραία. Αυτό είναι το ίδιο.
Is it the same?
Same, yes. Okay.
And I think this one?
Και αυτό is the same.
Oh, okay, so there's another one here. Sorry.
We're so unorganized.
Okay, 2 person on the car, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No worries.
Can we go?
Yes, yes, you can go inside.
Okay.
Finally in the boat. I'm not sure if you can hear us because of this. Because of the mask, you have to follow the rules still. But we're gonna stay. We're gonna be here in the boat for 1 hour before we get to actually Andros. Though I feel like I need to give you a little bit of an outside look.
Definitely.
Okay. Let's go check it out. So, pretty much, this is Rafina for you. People are still coming, so we're on the top deck and ready to heat the vacation, the Easter holiday.
We can go that way. Thank you. We can go this way. Do we know where we're going?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You stop somewhere, you can be in the front.
Okay, come.
Oh wait, just park. Don't park in the road.